Welcome back to Lunch at the Market. Hope you're long today. If not, this is probably a pretty terrible day for you and our condolences. We've leaned long for some time since we last saw 1040. Yesterday we sold put spreads in Goldman Sachs, October 140, 135, Salesforce.com, October 105.95, and CREE, October 50.45. You probably get bored hearing the same names over and over again, but since you're able to separate the story of a stock and the price action of a stock, then it's easier to make money. We know our levels in these three names like you wouldn't believe, so when the market gives you a down day like yesterday, we like to sell put spreads below the support in a stock. For Salesforce.com, 110 looks like the line in the sand. If the stock breaks 110, then we would be concerned that it has much more to fall. We do have some 110, 100 put spreads that were short in October. Thankfully, there are only 8 days left until next Friday, so while we have certainly pressed our bet in that position, we feel like we have time on our side. CREE has been an absolute dog, but below $50 seems to be your bogey there. The stock should hold north of $50 into expiration, so we're short the 50, 47.5, and 45 strikes in CREE, all as spreads. We do have some short 55 and 52.5 strikes that may or may not have to do some work on in expiration. So if the stock holds right here, we will only need to roll our 55, 45 put spreads. We'll look to roll down to the 52.5 strike and see if we can get out of this in November. We do have some long CREE stock for the actual LED light bulb story that we told you about a few weeks ago back on Lunch of the Market. You can type in MO Financial and CREE into the YouTube search bar and get the fundamental story on why we like CREE longer term. But today is really about understanding what the chart is telling you and knowing your support and resistance levels in the stock. Support is a level below which you're going to need a special event to get the stock to go below. Resistance is a level a stock has trouble getting through and usually prevents the stock from going out until you can get an event like blowout earnings in order to get the stock above that line of resistance. Hope this helps you trade this market. We are concerned that up here, a rally into earnings sets us up to sell on the news. If you can, take a little more off. As you know, we have a big cash balance already, but we'll be looking to hit the sell button today, as it felt pretty nice not to be worried yesterday when the Dow was down over 100 because we had all that cash. We're not underinvested by any stretch of the imagination, so there's no real concern to have to chase returns up double digits this year in our portfolio. Thanks for tuning in again today. We hope your trading day is a good one. Sell something, even if it's just a small position today. Take a little off the table, especially if you've never sold anything before. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.